survive someone lying about who they are, wearing your sister's clothing, and asking you to have a baby but not wanting to commit to you for the rest of your life? Today, we are going to talk about all of that in this divorce courts episode, and we're even going to get to the point where Judge Lynn Toler is so fed up that she basically kicks the husband out of the courtroom. Let's jump right into it.
Ms. Cummings, you say Mr. Sibley is an attention freak. Tell me what he does that makes you believe he's an attention freak.
Yes, Your Honor. He is an attention freak. We can go out to eat. For example, we went to the Cheesecake Factory.
The Cheesecake Factory.
You go there, and you usually have an hour wait, maybe 2 hours if it's on the weekend. For some reason, we get there, we wait maybe 15 minutes, if that. And I'm trying to figure out what's going on with all these people?
An hour or two is long.
Come to find out, Your Honor, he called the place beforehand telling him that he is an actor that was on Hotel Rwanda and that he wants the best waiter. He doesn't want to wait. He wants to be aside from everybody else. And then it's embarrassing.
Did they believe him?
We had the best waiter, yes. And
the best waiter and Cheesecake Factory, I definitely have to see that.
So we go to a party, and it was Whitney Houston was there. We out here having fun. I'm feeling good. I'm with my man. You know, hey, everybody see me. I see Whitney. Okay. Your Honor, 20 minutes later, I'm looking for Adam. I see Adam getting escorted by security because he's sitting here running around where he's not supposed to be. I was so freaking embarrassed. Like, he does this all the time.
So he's attention seeker.
You get into a party with Whitney Houston.
That's what I would like to know.
I don't know how to get in there. I know.
Judge Toler said I can't even get in.
Because of me, because I'm outgoing. I talk to people. I get along with everybody. So one of my friends had a ticket, one ticket.
Wait a minute. So he's talking about how popular he is and he can get invited to Whitney Houston, but Judge Lynn Toler cannot because he's so outgoing, but you getting escorted out by security. Oh my gosh, this case is gonna be crazy.
So I got her into the party because I would have heard her mouth going home. So I brought her to the party, and, you know, I didn't have a pass to go in the back, so I just, you know, talking to the security guard, and he said, hey, you look familiar. I said, yes, Hotel Rwanda. So I went on there, and then he said, okay,
I gotta
great.
watch
Then
this movie
his
now.
main security person came and said, sir, you have to leave. And then that's when...
That's when it got ridiculous?
Yes,
Your Honor, he tells everyone he's a celebrity. You see a celebrity walking down the street, he has to go take a picture with them. And then he'll put it up and say, oh, yeah, just hanging with such and such. Oh, my homie such and such.
Your Honor.
You don't know them.
So is your persona the guy from Hotel Rwanda? Is that your persona? That's how you represent yourself?
Who is the guy?
Well, there wasn't no big guy in Hotel Rwanda, so people who haven't seen the movie really don't know. So I just tell them that I'm the guy, you know, and they just go in it, you know.
That's his secret identity?
I was raised in a very strict Christian household.
Yeah.
I didn't listen to hip-hop rap, so when my mother passed away, that I became free to, you know, go to parties and stuff and just, you know, live the life.
So you have
that's
to lie
why when
about
I
who
see,
you are?
you know, Tom Hanks, I'll say, oh my gosh, Tom, I loved you. Can I take a picture? And he said, sure. Now I might say, you know, on Facebook or something like, hanging with my bestie. You know, there's no one's business. That's my business.
They don't know.
What they don't know won't kill them, right?
They don't know what they don't know.
What is your main complaint about Ms. Cummings? You've been together for 5 years, I understand.
Yes, Your
Living together, everything was fine, but she moved out 4 months ago.
Yes.
And she wants her stuff back, which is why she's here. But why don't you tell me, what did you say?
Meaning, Your Honor,
That's one.
Now, I don't mind being, you know, being a father to her daughter. That's fine.
You're not her father.
Okay, but you still need to tell the child what to do.
I tell her what to do.
Mr. Sibley, does she not respect the rules of the house and him as an adult?
My daughter is not disrespectful at all. He plays too much. You can't play and think you can turn around and just be serious with her 2 seconds later.
So what do you think he's doing too much of that causes her not to take him seriously?
He's playing like he's her age. Like, there needs to be a balance. Either you're going to step up as a father and act like a father, or you're going to be her best friend. You can't...
Well, what does he do with a 12-year-old?
We'll walk down the street. It could be a little boy. That's you. That's you. I see you looking. Okay. No, she's 12. Don't look.
That's inappropriate.
What else does he do? How does he interact with her in a manner that allows her not to take him seriously?
He plays the Wii more than her. You want me to do your homework? You want me to do your homework? Let me see what you're doing. Let me do your homework. Let me show you. He does stuff like, no, she needs to do her own homework. What are you doing? Let's fight. She's in karate. I bet you I can beat you up. He'll push her. I mean, playful. It's not like a mean push. Playfully, he'll trip her.
Around.
Right. And then
I'm trying to teach her, Your Honor. So, because growing up in high school, I was picked on. So I'm trying to teach her, don't let nobody bully you. Fight for yourself.
So you trip her?
Your Honor, she gets a third.
You teaching her not to get bullied by bullying her? Like, what's going on?
Degree
If someone
ground up
trips
about
you,
to
what
get
you
her
gonna do,
black.
Your Honor? You're gonna get up and push them. Don't just walk away.
I would walk away from you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You know what I
Exactly.
mean?
You're a lot
Walk
bigger than
away
a
from
12-year-old.
You call him. I
Your
mean,
Honor.
tripping a 12-year-old is not a way to teach them
thinks it's
how
funny.
to stand
says
up
train
for
up a
themselves.
child.
Huh?
The Bible says train up a child, so I'm trying to train her up in
You don't train them by tripping them. What are you talking about, sir?
the right way.
Yeah, but it doesn't say triple. Ms. Cummings, you say that you believe Mr. Sibley may be cheating on you, but you don't believe it's with women. Why don't you tell me
Here we go again.
what your concerns are and what makes you believe that might be an issue?
Okay, Your Honor, my sister came in town. So, you know, it's LA. It's sunny. We go to the beach. I take her to get manicure, pedicure, massage. We come home. I hear music blasting. I'm like, what is he doing? Oh, I open up the door. Her luggage is open, and somebody's sitting on the couch with her bra on. Talking about, it was a joke. That's not a joke.
He's sitting on the couch with her bra on? Oh, no.
Had her bra
He had her bra on over his shirt.
Oh,
What
but
man
that's
puts
your
a bra
sister.
on?
Exactly.
She was pissed off. I had to hold her back. She went off
Her
on him.
sister
That's
is a
strange.
size 10. Your Honor, I mean, if I'm going to wear a bra.
I mean, it's a
Now
little
you-
hard for me to believe that he got a bra
Right,
on.
yeah.
So essentially, she thinks that he is cheating, but that it's with men. I'm getting from the story of it. And she's blaming it on him putting on the sister's bra. Does she have actual proof in this situation? You can't just make those kind of claims.
Were you messing around with her sister's underwear?
Your Honor, to be honest with you, I had it because
So he admits to it.
I knew it.
At first he tried to
I
lie.
had her bra, but I did not have it on. I didn't want her in the house, so I was checking her stuff to make sure she didn't steal anything. But I did have it in my hand.
But you was stealing
there's
her
no
bra?
way
He
impossible
had it
I
right
could wear the
here. It
bra.
was right here.
Mr. Sibley,
Right
I
here.
don't believe a word you just told me.
Thank you.
That
He's a
is
liar.
ridiculous.
Why would she be stealing?
And I was checking to make sure she didn't steal her stuff. You don't need to be in
And
there.
it
with
was a
people.
cheap bra at that.
How does he know cheap from exactly?
I'm just being
exactly.
honest.
What man says that? Would you do that?
Joe, don't
Leave
you buy
Jo-
a bra for your wife?
Hey, leave Joe
I
alone.
mean,
Leave Joe alone. He doesn't even want to be here. So you just
I feel bad for the wife in this situation because she is so serious and everybody is making jokes and laughing, even the judge, because this man is not serious. I definitely understand where she's coming from and wanting to get rid of him because he is not a serious guy. He's playing around with a kid. He's playing around with people out in public. He's playing around with her sister's bra. He is just a mess.
have you ever caught him in a lie?
Yeah, we need concrete
Yes, I have.
evidence.
So Prince comes out here. Everybody wanted to go to the Prince concert.
Everything is celebrity
So
based.
one week, he comes home and he says, "Hey, I'm going to work. I'm gonna be going to work a little late."
work,
That's fine.
she don't know nothing about.
Mr. Sibley,
I'm
don't
sorry.
interrupt her again.
I'm sorry.
And most definitely don't interrupt me. Go ahead.
I said, "Okay, that's fine." Your Honor, it's getting real late. I'm like, "Okay." I'm calling his phone. Nothing. I'm like, "Okay." He comes in the house. How was work? Oh, it was good. All right. So the next day, I'm on YouTube, just trying to see. You know, everybody's gonna put up a clip of the concert. Your Honor, pops up. It says, "Fat boy on stage with Prince."
No.
That's not to be good. Who do I see on stage with Prince? Him, Your Honor.
He just likes
whoa, whoa.
attention.
Then I confront him about it. He goes in the room like nothing happened. Okay.
You got it on video?
Yes, I have it on video.
Can I
Did
see
you
it?
bring it here?
I believe they have it.
Oh, no.
He can't deny that's him. He can't deny that's him. Did that look like him?
I'm sorry.
He can't deny that was not him, right?
Big people can dance, you know, but
I don't know if
I
all
don't know
big
if that
people
was
can dance,
him.
but you can dance.
Thank
I'm
you,
gonna give you that. You can move. You
He's
can
not
move.
denying it was
can
him.
can I tell you about what happened? All right.
Why
So-
is
Why
that
would you lie
bad?
to her? That's what I want.
not
Why
exactly.
would you lie?
When I asked Dana to go out with me to restaurants, a nice restaurant, I don't want to go with you. No one should spend $60 on one meal. Your Honor, I didn't tell Dana because I don't want to hear her mouth. I wanted to go enjoy my time with
But
my
you
best
weren't
friend.
eating at the Prince concert.
I
you
was
were
eating. You didn't
dancing.
see me I got on the stage. I had some chicken wings with a Diet Coke because I was on the diet around that time.
Boy.
And I got on the stage. I started dancing, you know.
Now, Mr. Sibley, we've been talking about you, and there's a lot to talk about.
It is a
You're
lot.
out there doing stuff.
I'm out there, yes, ma'am.
But Mr. Sibley, you say that the reason you think this relationship is ending, other than that you think she's way obsessed and embarrassed by you, is that you want kids and she doesn't.
Absolutely, Your Honor.
And that's a big thing. You have to be on the same page as far as what you want in life if you're going to be married to someone. So him wanting children and her not wanting children and her being the one that needs to carry the children, that is going to be a big deal in any relationship, especially with this man acting a fool all the time.
When I say, Dana, I think it's time. Hold on, I gotta call my mom. When I say, okay, when we're in bed together, behind closed doors, Your Honor, I say, I'm ready to settle down. She's like, well, I don't have a steady job. I said, okay, I've been taking care of you this long. Why not? Well, let's get married first. Dana, okay, let's have a baby first.
Well, why don't you want to get married first?
Oh, they're not even married?
Oh, now you got nothing to say.
No. I mean, I just want the baby. I don't want to marry her.
I wonder why. Because I don't think he's into me.
So you know what that is, though, Ms. Cummings. You know what that is. That is, I'm going to have a baby, and if I decide to leave you, I'm going to leave you, and you'll have the baby.
No.
Don't you know me, I'm talking. And if I, you know what I mean? It's an option to leave.
Right.
You stuck with a kid and no support.
Yeah.
That's the way it works out. So minute a man sees that, you head for the hills. Because that's not cool. That's not, put your hand down.
I didn't even realize that they were not married. So he wants to have a kid, but he doesn't want to get married. Why is that? I agree with the judge that he's probably just trying to trap her. A man will say, oh, he wants a kid, and if they break up, they'll take the kid or they'll do 50-50. But a lot of times that may not happen, and you don't know what's going to happen in the future. So if I'm the woman, I'm not relying on his word on that. She already has one daughter. She's a single mother to one daughter, and now he's trying to make her a single mother to another child.
There's a whole society full of dudes and women who think that's okay.
Well, that's
and
not
that
this
is not
guy.
okay. That is creating a permanent underclass of women and children who don't have support, who aren't able to finish their education and get a good job. Don't have it, don't do it. The minute he says it, be offended, and then be gone.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I'm not having that. I'm not having
Your
it.
Honor,
He already knows I'm not having any more
Your Honor,
kids.
that's not true. I'm not like most of those guys, because if I was, I wouldn't be taking care of her little one. They're staying in my house. She hasn't been working for the last 2 years. Who's been getting her hair and nails done?
Did you hear him? Did you hear him?
I'm just saying, but
you're staying in my house.
Mm-hmm.
She is staying in my house, paying no rent. I'm paying all the bills. So I'm not trying to hit and quit. If that was the case, she would have been gone. I would have got somebody else.
But you don't want to marry her.
Now, you and I are right here. We don't even have to talk about
What
it.
else is it?
How wrong that is.
Quit
Mr. Sibley, let me tell you something.
You don't want to marry her.
Yes, Your Honor.
The idea of wanting to commit to a child with someone but not to commit to that someone is destroying us as a nation. It really, really is.
But not everyone's the same person, Your Honor.
The whole concept of it is wrong, if you ask me. It's just wrong.
I got you.
Exactly.
If you want a woman to help create a baby with you, to live with, because she's always going to take care of it, you have to say, I commit to you first.
Yep, you got to
Because
get married.
at the end of the day, something goes wrong, you're gone, and you don't have the obligation. And it's not right to put a woman in that position. I don't think it's right. I don't care what everybody else is doing. I may be old school, last week, last year, or whatever it is, antiquated, but that's what I believe should be. And to ask a woman to have your child and not marry her, I think is rude, tacky, wrong, and ratchet.
I have to agree with the judge there, because when people break up, they are not the same people. He may agree to take care of the kid now, but who's to say what happened if they break up? He's already talking about her like a dog while they're in a relationship, and I don't want to marry her. Who's to say that he's going to treat her good after the relationship is over?
You want to impregnate her, take the baby, and walk off because you believe she's not something or other.
That baby
You
gonna
can't
walk
Is
just
that
take
what
the
you
baby.
just said to me?
Your Honor, I have money.
he gonna take
I have
the
a
baby?
house. I have a car. I'm not trying to point no fingers.
And you have no moral compass. You have no right. You have no sense of responsibility. That's what you don't have. I don't care if you have a house and a car. You think that makes it okay? You think that makes it important? You think that you can do whatever you want to her because you make the money?
Yeah.
Please, back it up. Don't say another word.
He's
What do
not
you want?
making money.
What do you
Ask
want
where
from
he get the
him?
money.
What do you want from him? I don't care about nothing anymore.
I want my family stuff back. I want our stuff back.
She's not going to get it. She didn't pay for it.
I put some money
Sorry.
on it.
What is $40 out of $400?
$40? You sound real crazy.
Mr. Sibley, have a seat.
She's just asking for her stuff back, and he's like, he's not gonna give it to her.
What do
Where
you
does he get off
have
doing
in
that?
his house that you want back?
I have my child's games, PlayStation, the Wii, our bedroom set, her bedroom set. I don't know what he think he's gonna do with it. I'll leave him a mattress to lay on, but I want the rest of it. And I want the truck.
She's not getting the truck. I don't care.
If I say she's getting the truck, she's getting the truck. That's
And
what
she
this,
already
that's what
sat
this
you
whole
down.
place is about. Me telling you what to do.
Now, he done messed around and almost got kicked out the court. She done already sat him down, and he's still talking back. So he better keep his mouth shut so the judge can make her ruling.
If you're going to come back up here, I'm going to allow you to defend your position. And if you act a fool, I'm going to put you out, and then you won't have a position to defend, and I got to go with what she says.
Right?
Now, do you have children's games and a child's bed set in your house that her daughter has been using?
I do.
You don't want to
So
let
why
her
do
have
you
it.
want it?
She can have the games, but she's
She can
not
have the
gonna-
games. How about the child's bedroom
You
set?
gonna take the
No.
kid's bed?
I'm gonna give it away.
And you want us to believe that you're gonna take care of a child with her if y'all break up, and you don't even want to give this child a bed? Come on now. You're not doing anything with the kid's bed.
He said the only thing I could have is my last name.
Well, they're not married. So
While she was in
that's
your
true.
home, did she cook, clean, or otherwise contribute to the maintenance of the household?
Your Honor, she cleaned. Your Honor, I
At least he
cooked.
admitted to that.
Yana, he is lying to you. He didn't get that big just by his cooking. I'm cooking breakfast for him.
no, he blamed you
But you
for
know
that.
what? You see, and that's another reason why we don't get along. The fat jokes, no one wants to hear that. Oh, you're too big. That's why we're not getting along, Your Honor.
So the games, the
That's not-
child's bedroom set, what else you're looking
Right,
for?
you're talking about irrelevant
truck.
stuff.
She's not getting the truck. I'm sorry. The truck is, Your
Did you
Honor,
contribute financially
Yes,
to the
I
home?
sure did.
Did you contribute financially to the truck?
Yes, I did.
Do you have any evidence thereof?
I do.
Oh, okay.
Can I see it?
Oh, I don't have it with me. I'm sorry.
Girl, you
What
in
am I gonna
court.
do? What am I doing?
You gonna-
Unprepared.
you've
That's
been
what
lying
she's
all this time.
unprepared. She can't keep a job. She can't keep nothing.
Why are you going in
Ask
on
him why I
her?
couldn't keep a job. He kept showing
I'm
up.
not doing that. But what else do you want?
That's it. He
That's
can have
it?
everything. That's all I want.
I don't want the bed.
Do you
she
have
can
clothing
She
in
can have our
there?
bed set.
I can get more clothing. I just really want those necessity things. The toys, my kid want to play with her toys. But clothes, I can get some more clothes.
Your
Give me
Honor?
my bed,
I-
her bed.
No.
Please, Your Honor.
Here is my
He
order.
already said she can have the
within
furniture.
15 days,
Her
Ms.
furniture,
Cummings
but
is
not
going
the
to be
kids.
allowed into house to get all of the child's games, the child's bedroom set, your bedroom set, and all of the clothing in that household. And step away and step hard and don't look back.
I'm
Your
not.
Honor,
get
actually,
rid
many
of
times
him.
we broke up and she's been back because she knows I take care of her. She
Miss-
likes
I ain't
Big
been there in a
Papa,
while.
Your Honor.
Ms. Cummings, if you're fool enough to go back to him and you
knows
want to
I'm
leave him
good.
again, don't come back here because he can't come back here.
Thank you.
now you getting kicked out
It
of
is so
court.
ordered.
How you get kicked out of court at the end of the case, sir? She said you cannot come back in her courtroom. But anyways, if you haven't already, make sure you are liking, commenting, subscribing, hyping the video. Let me know what you think. Let's talk about the analysis of the situation as if they were married, because they let us know that they are not actually married. What the court did was divide some of their assets, the things that are in the house that they would need to split. The things that she asked for were mostly personal in nature, so she would have gotten those things anyways, like the kids' clothes, the kids' games, the kids' bedroom set. The only thing that would have really been in question that she was asking for would have been the actual truck and the bedroom set that they shared together. She said that she'll leave the mattress. He said that she can have the furniture. So it makes complete sense that the judge gave her the furniture because he basically agreed for her to have it. Now, what reason he would want to keep the kids' furniture just to give it away, that's just being petty. And I wouldn't trust him as far as I can throw him when he says that he would have taken care of a child upon their breakup if she would have decided to have the child for him. And I can understand why the court did not give her the truck, because she did not come to court with any evidence. Giving her their bedroom set is not such a high value that the court would be abusing their discretion by giving her that bedroom set if she didn't actually contribute to it financially. But giving her an entire vehicle and she brought no proof, the court did not have justification to do that. Overall, I do agree with the choices that the judges made in this situation. Y'all let me know what y'all think. And if you made it this far and you haven't liked, you haven't hyped, you haven't subscribed, and you haven't commented, make sure you do so. And I will check y'all all out in the next video. Bye.